Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you one of my new favorite recipes, so I hope you're excited and stay tuned. We're gonna make some chickpea curry with peanut butter. First of all, you want to cut down some onions. I had like very tiny ones, so I used 3, but just go with what suits you, maybe 2 normal ones. Then you want to cut a carrot or 2 into thin slices. Lastly, you want to cut down your ginger, and you want to cut that down into very, very small pieces, so take your time with that. There's nothing worse than biting on a huge chunk of ginger, because your food will not taste like anything else, it will just taste of ginger. When this prep work is done, you want to take a pan and you want to heat up some oil in it. Then you want to throw in the carrots and the onions, and you want to fry them on medium heat until the onions start to get glassy. So about that kind of coloring, and then you can go ahead and take your chickpeas and dump them in. Then you also want to go ahead and add your spinach. You can use fresh spinach or frozen. I use fresh because they didn't have frozen, and you just want to make sure that there isn't anything else in there. Just place your spinach in the pan and mix it in. Then you want to add your coconut milk, and as you can see, mine wasn't in the mood. You also want to add a little bit of water and vegetable stock to that. Give that a good mix. And now we're gonna add the peanut butter. And the ginger. I used a little bit of harissa paste for some spice, but I don't like it spicy, so you can use more. Then some chili flakes, some salt, some pepper, some curry powder, and some curcuma. I don't remember the English name, but it will be listed down below. Again, give that a good mix. Last but not least, we obviously add some garlic. We could not go without garlic in this household. And then give that a mix. Now you want to let that cook on medium heat for at least 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and prepare your rice with a little bit of salt and twice the amount of water, and let that boil for about 15 minutes should be enough. And when everything is ready, you can go ahead and serve it up. So here we have the rice, and then you want to put your curry on the same plate, and then you're basically ready to enjoy. Now you can definitely make this more spicy than I did, because I just don't like very spicy food, and I love this recipe. It was so delicious. The combination of flavors was just great. So I hope you give it a try, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.